Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Javeria, but everybody calls me Tia, so you guys can too. This is my first ever tutorial on YouTube. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Do leave your feedback, it means the world to me. Finally decided to make a YouTube channel because I got so many requests on it on my Instagram. Please do check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. I will link those below in the, I don't know what this box is called, that box that every YouTuber uses to promote their social media. I am such a newbie. Please be kind to me, alright? And do enjoy this tutorial and leave your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look that I created using products that cost add up to $100. That is approximately 12,000 Pakistani rupees. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial because I had a lot of fun creating this look. It is so simple, wearable, and really affordable too. So let me know what you guys think about it, okay? Feedback is important, people. So I'm going to start by spraying a good amount of rose water all over my face and then dabbing it in with a wet sponge. This is going to act as a toner and a primer. Now I'm taking this foundation stick by Makeup Revolution, dotting it all over my face and then blending it in with the wet sponge. I always like to dab rather than swipe. I don't know how many times I've said that before, but that's just what I do. It gives a very smooth and texture-free application. Now I'm taking the Conceal and Define Concealer by Makeup Revolution and applying it under my eyes. This is a very good tube for Tarte Shape Tape. I'm sure everybody knows that by now. Making sure that everything is blended smoothly and there are no harsh edges. Now I'm taking this loose powder by Sweet Touch and I'm going to bake my under eye area with it. Now taking this Twin Cake powder by Sweet Touch, I'm going to set my face all over. This comes in a new packaging now. I bought it years ago, not years ago, but quite a long time ago. That's why I have this one. Now I'm going to just apply some lip balm to my lips. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. So now taking this contour palette by Ministar, blending the third and second shade and contouring my cheeks. I always start with my cheeks because I feel that they need most of the work. I know it looks a little bit harsh right now, but we are gonna blend it away, people. I hate harsh contour lines. Now contouring my jawline. I always contour the top of my forehead too. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and blend the contour away. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blush. I think it's called Pearlescent Pink, and just apply it to my cheeks. Now I'm taking this Strobe highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Guys, this is so pigmented. I love this stuff, and it is dirt cheap. I'm very cautious with it. I do not go in with a lot of product at once because I'm going for a softer natural look. Well, natural according to me. I always like to highlight the tops of my brows because it just pulls the whole look together. Now I'm taking the blush brush and making sure that highlight is blended in with the blush. For my brows, I'm going to use this LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil. It is a spot on dupe for ABH's Brow Wiz, I think it's called. I don't really do a lot with my brows. I just fill them in as close to my natural brow shape as possible. You can now move on with eyeshadow or take a wet sponge and dab the rose water into your skin to make your makeup, cemented there. This step might be a little bit difficult for beginners, so you can totally skip it. Primed my eyes with the same concealer as before. Now I'm taking this shade called Wanderlust by Makeup Obsession Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my crease, making sure that it's blended and there are no harsh lines. Now I'm taking this shade called Paris, again from Makeup Obsession Cosmetics. I'm going to use it to deepen my crease up. I always like to pat shadows first and then blend them later, especially when I want more pigment to show. Now I'm going to take the same blending brush that I used for the first shade and then just merge these two together. Now I'm taking this shade called Gold and I'm just going to apply it on the outer third of my lid. Now I'm just making sure that the crease shade and the lid shade are well blended together. We don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous golden shade called Tawny. Not Tawny, I think it's Tawny. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Just blending the two shades together. Now I'm taking this pencil by Essence and I'm just gonna tight line. This is actually a brow pencil, but I always use it in my waterline. I'm also going to smoke it out on my upper lash line on my lid. Now just making sure that everything is well blended. Now I'm just taking Paris and applying it on the outer corner of my lower lid. Now I'm taking the same highlighter as before and just highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm taking my absolute favorite mascara by Essence called I Heart Extreme Mascara and I'm just going to apply it on my lashes. You can apply Artmatic lashes now, they are really affordable. Now I'm just taking this lip pencil from Essence called Sucker for Grey and I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm also blending this color a little bit inside my lips because I do not want a harsh line. Now I'm taking this lipstick by Medora called hint of pink, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. So this is the look that I created for my $100 makeup challenge. Everything that I have used for this look cost around, I don't know, $10 or less, and all of the products add up to less than $100 actually. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. Do leave your feedback, guys. It means so much to me, you know. It tells me what to do next. Don't just be silent.